In this video, we're going to check out this app called Crypto Rush Crypto Simulator, and it looks like this. I was just in the middle of installing it. I would like to let you find out if you can withdraw your money. Can you really invest, trade, and withdraw your money, or uh, this is not real? Okay, so they give you 5,000 virtual money for trading. Okay, this is not real money. You're not going to withdraw it. Okay, it's just money to help you. Let me cross this. Okay, it's just money to help you to do virtual trading. Okay, so after setting up your account, actually in this app you don't have to kind of even sign up with your phone number or email. It's actually no sign up is needed. You just install, go through the steps, then that is it. Okay. Track your funds and profits. Your total balance shows here, so they usually kind of take you through the dashboard, boost your starting capital, get rewarded by watching ads, so you can kind of get bonuses. Your virtual credit can be got by watching ads, watch short ads, and instant cash. Watch a 30-second ad to earn 450. But this money, you have to understand, is not your money. Okay, log in there to earn increasing rewards. Okay, spin a wheel of surprise, jump a mini. Okay, fire for bigger rewards. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so for this process, you have seen them telling you like you can sign up, get some rewards, but that dollar, that money that they show you is not real money, guys. Okay, so for some of you who are using this platform, whatever you've been seeing is not real money. The app has some ads, so you have to be ready for those ads. Okay, now when I take you back to the Play Store on Android, you realize this app is called a simulator. Simulator means it's virtual. Though when I saw it, I was playing a game. In the adverts, it was showing like you can invest and trade real money, and in the adverts, it was as if like you can make real money. I don't know if how you found out about this app, but for me, I found it in another ad when I was playing a certain game. In that advert, it shows like you can really do some money, but the reality is in this app, it's just actually for practice. A simulator is more of a virtual world. Okay, it's not real. And I see someone was complaining somewhere here, like me. I think this doesn't really give you any information. It comes off as an actual way to invest and make money, but then it says it's only a virtual app. So also for me, actually, I feel like this was an actual way to invest and make money. But this is actually simulator. Simulator means this is virtual, and simulator that you can't really put in money, you can't withdraw money. So this is just more of a training ground for you who wants to do crypto trading. Okay, there's nothing like depositing money here. There's nothing like withdrawing money. So that's what I can say. As you have seen, you can. I'm seeing here you have been created 7,000 for watching an ad. So it's now like 12,000. But this money is not real money, guys. Okay. So this is just virtual money. Within the app, there is home, there is trading, find trading pairs. All right. Search for any token, switch its market, blah, blah, blah. Tycoon, there's profile. All right. Let me see if you want to. So in this app, there's nothing like deleting your account because there's no details you put in this app apart from installing the app. That's it. So if you don't want the app, you can just uninstall it. Okay. You can even use it before you even put your name. So so it doesn't really ask you for any details. So that's the cool thing about it. But for the people who wanted to do real trading, you can use it for practicing. But for the people who wanted to really get money to withdraw to maybe to your bank or to your wallet, This app is just for training. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye bye.